Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute scrunchie. So you're going to need a ponytail, and you're going to take your yarn for your main color, and you're going to tie it on maybe like 3 times so that it's secure. After that, you're going to take your hook and you're going to pull up a loop and then chain 1. Then you're going to do a single crochet around your ponytail and end all the way around. There's not a specific number of how many stitches you need to do, just however many it takes to go all the way around and cover the ponytail, but you do want to make sure that you have an even number. Alright, once you've done that, you're going to do a slip stitch to close the round. To start the second row, you're going to go ahead and chain 3, and then you're going to do a double crochet in the same stitch. Then you're going to do 3 double crochets in the next stitch. You're going to keep alternating doing 2 double crochets, then 3 double crochets in each stitch all the way around till you get back to the start. And then to close the round, you're going to do a slip stitch. And you can see that you're kind of starting to get your ruffles a little bit. For the third row, you're going to chain 3 again, and then you're going to do a double crochet in the same stitch. After that, you're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. And then you're going to close the round with a slip stitch. Once you've done that, you're going to chain 1, pull out your loop, snip it, pull out the excess, and then tighten your end. And now we only have 1 row left. Then take your border color, and you're going to take your hook and insert it into that slip stitch and pull your border color through it. Now this step is optional, you don't have to add a border color, but I did. Then I'm just going to tie 2 knots, but you want to make sure that it's secure on there. Take your hook, drop a loop, and then chain 1. And now you're just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. And you're going to go all the way around till you get back to the start. Then you're going to do the same thing as before and slip stitch to close the round. Now chain 1 and then pull out your loop so it's big, snip it, pull out your end, and then tighten. After that, you can weave in your ends and your scrunchie is done. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out my channel for more tutorials.